Hello, welcome to See Betty's. This is a follow-up hairstyle. Well, I chose to use braids, so any braiding hair will do, and bands to section your hair in 15. So this hairstyle is very quick. It's going to take about 35 minutes. So 5 minutes bands and 30 minutes doing the braids. My hair is ready, so I'm going to section it. Oops. So you don't have to be too precise when you're sectioning your hair, you know, especially when you're a busy mom like me. Here we go. My daughter said this is even a cute hairstyle in this one. A little nuts. You can go ahead and spray with any oil you've got. Just sparingly spray some oil. Oopsie. It's hair and body oil anyway, so it's fine. Just randomly. Okay, the braids that come like in little rolls, you know, like vegetable spring rolls. I'm just going to spray some shampoo just to make it smell nice and fresh. So a pack has got like 8 little strands, so I'm going to divide it in half and start braiding. So just remove the band. I'm just doing the last one. Take the rubber band off. Pull it off. Okay. So there it is. Okay. It's all done. It looks like this, just unique braid locks. It just needs styling.